Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop. In this video, see how I design and 3D print these items to help me make this lovely purple heart bowl. So if that's of interest to you, stay watching. have it, the index plate for the Paul Howard Fluting jig has been 3D printed off using PLA grey filament. The print took 18 hours to print this. It's very solid. I can't remember what the infill was on this, but it was near enough, something like 75%, so it could have been a lot less. This isn't designed to go on the lathe and to be turned at a high speed. It's for a static machining, so you don't need to turn the lathe on whilst this is on the machine. If you need to turn the lathe on, this needs to be taken off. It's got a 25.5mm hole, and these holes around the outside are 5mm diameters. So here's one of the clamp plates. This is the one that goes underneath the lathe, in between the bed ways. And here's the clamp bolt that's going to go in there. It just fits in there nice and snug. Won't turn. That'll get fixed in with a bit of super glue. I really couldn't be bothered to put the ideal thing would have put the radiuses in, but I just didn't really think it was worth it, to be quite honest, and it's a lovely fit. So the pocket is 12mm thick and 15mm wide and 3mm deep. The overall thickness is 30mm across there and 50mm across there, and a thickness of 10mm with an infill of 35%, I think it was. Feels very strong. So now I'm going to go and make the other part that goes across the top of the bed ready for the arm. So we're getting on nicely with this little project. So here we have all the 3D printed parts all assembled for the Paul Howard router fluting jig. We have the index plate here. We have the locating pin, which pops in and out. The locating arm. The locating base and clamping fixture. Then on this part, this is the hinge jig, so you can get oval shapes with the router, as you can see. We clamp this device onto here, and then that gives us our oval routed grooves in the work. And then we have on the end of the router, this is the cutter, the red bit, and this is just a guide bush. So this limits the depth of the router cutter without having to do any measurements. So they're all the parts, and hopefully in the next video you'll see me using them to finish off a bowl that I'm going to be making. So with that all said and done, guys, if you've liked this video, please subscribe if you've not already subscribed. Ring the bell for further notifications on other videos, especially the upcoming video of using this machine. So I hope to see you all in the next one, and that's me over and done with for this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, and see you in the next one.